Welcome to RTTech. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. In this video, let's look at AutoViz, which is a library in Python to automatically visualize any dataset, any size with a single line of code. So AutoViz performs automatic visualization of any dataset with one line. Given any input file, CSV, TXT or JSON, AutoViz will visualize it. If you are new here and like such content, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Okay, to install AutoViz, it is very simple. If it is in the Conda environment, you can do it by creating a virtual environment and then doing pip install AutoViz. Okay, so with this we can install the AutoViz library. Now to look at a dataset to perform visualization, I am looking at the heart disease UCI dataset. So this dataset has 14 attributes. Okay, so it is basically to predict heart disease using certain variables like the age, the gender, the resting blood pressure, serum cholesterol, the chest pain type, and a lot of other variables. Okay, let's go to our notebook. So to perform data analysis using AutoViz, automatic data analysis, first we will import the AutoViz class. Okay, then we instantiate a instance of the AutoViz class. Okay, so once you create a instance of the AutoViz class over here, if you see, it takes as input the file name, the separator, and how many rows needs to be analyzed, how many column needs to be analyzed, right? And and certain other parameters. Okay, now as I said, when we look at this data set, it is for the heart disease. So if you look over here, the various attributes are age is in years, gender, which is binary, 1 is male and 0 is female. Then you have chest pain, CP, which is chest pain type, which has 4 values, typical angina, value 2 is atypical angina, and so on. Then you have resting blood pressure, then you have serum cholesterol, you have fasting blood sugar, which is a binary variable again, which if it is greater than 120 mg /dl, then it is true, else it is false. Then you have resting electrocardiographic results, which have again 3 distinct values. And then you have maximum heart rate achieved, which is a continuous variable. Then you have exercise induced angina or chest pain, again a binary variable. Then you have the old peak in the ECG detection. Then you have the slope of the peak in the exercise ST segment in the ECG. Then you have the number of vessels which are colored by fluoroscopy. Then you have some defects which are present. Okay, which has got 3 values. 3 is equal to normal, 6 is equal to fixed defect, and 7 is equal to reversible defect. And then you have your target, which is 1 presence of heart disease and 0 is an absence of heart disease. Okay. Now, as I said before, with AutoViz, you can actually perform visualization with just one line of code. That line of code is over here, which is like data frame is equal to av.autoviz, and then you pass your CSV file. Okay. Now, when you pass your CSV file, what kind of visualizations are created? The first thing is that AutoViz library tries to understand the variable or the attribute types. So it says that number of integer categorical columns are 9, number of numerical columns is 1, number of numeric boolean columns is equal to 4. Okay, so it says 14 predictors classified. So basically it looks at the target columns also, so which is our target column, and then it tries to create different kinds of visualizations. For example, for this old peak variable, you have the distribution plot, you have the box plot, you also have a probabilities plot over here. Okay, then it creates histograms of all continuous variables. Okay, so that is this particular histogram. Then it creates violin plot for all continuous variables, right? It also creates a heat map of all continuous variables, including the target variable. Okay, so heat map is more like a correlation between these variables. So it is able to do that as well, right? Then it creates bar plots for each continuous by each categorical variable. So for a continuous variable versus a categorical variable, it tries to create bar plots. Okay, so here is your average old peak by age, then you have average old peak by chest pain, right? Average old peak by resting blood pressure, average old peak by cholesterol. So if you look over here, so the average old peak has values 0, 1, 2, 3, and here you have your values of your chest pain, right? So this is the kind of visualization it creates for this visualization is bar plot for continuous by categorical variable. Okay. So you see these variations, right? And it does it quite fast also. For this data set, it took close to 8.52 seconds on a 16 GB RAM laptop. Okay. Now you can also specify the dependent variable over here. So the dependent variable over here is your target, which is the presence of heart disease or absence of heart disease. So you can also specify that. Then you know what AutoViz does, it identifies that this is a classification problem. Okay, so it identifies it as a binary classification problem, and then again it identifies the different variable types which is present in this data, and then it creates the various kinds of visualizations. Okay, for example, this is an old peak versus target. Okay, visualization of the data points, basically a continuous variable versus the target. Okay, then it kind of has this kind of distribution of old peak. Okay, then this is a histogram of gender or sex. So here if you look at 1 is actually male and 0 is female, if I am right. Let me check it again. Yeah, 1 is male and 0 is female. Yeah, so it is showing the distribution over here, right? It is showing the distribution of blood glucose, of the other variables like chest pain, age. So you can see these visualizations done over here. Okay, then it also shows the target distribution of the variable, percentage distribution of target. So the frequency of this data set, right? So this looks like a almost balanced data set. A little bit of imbalance is there in terms of heart disease versus no heart disease. Okay, so this is the percentage distribution and this is the absolute value frequency distribution of our target variable. Okay, then it also has box plots with outliers shown for old peak for each target. So old peak is a variable, and then how does it vary for each target? So basically 0 and 1. Then the heat map of all continuous variables for target is equal to target. So here is your heat map which shows the correlation between these variables and between the variables for the target. So if you look at this particular line, you can find out which variables are attributes are more correlated with the target over here. Okay, then you have other pivot tables which are like each continuous variable by 2 categoricals. So for example, the target by cholesterol and slope. So you get visualizations like this, right? So in summary, AutoViz actually provides easy exploratory data analysis or exploratory data visualization for your data set, and it does it within say some single line command. Okay, so this is a very useful library for visualizing your data in an automatic way. So if you like such video, please like the video, please share the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.